How to use Multisport Mode on your Steel HR or Steel HR Sport. Your hybrid smartwatch takes heart rate measurements day and night every 10 minutes for optimal health monitoring. But you can also track your heart rate continuously during a workout. The watch will automatically trigger a continuous heart rate monitoring session when you run. No need to push any buttons. During any other type of workout, you can easily initiate continuous heart rate monitoring and select your sport right on the watch. Simply press and hold the watch button until it vibrates. Then, select your sport and give another long press. Multi-Sport Mode is now activated. You'll see a timer that keeps track of your workout duration. And if you are connected to your phone, you'll get an icon and check mark on the screen. When you finish your workout, simply press and hold the button again until your watch vibrates twice. You can also end the session on the app if using connected GPS. Your hybrid smartwatch can track more than 30 activities, and you can customize which sports will appear on the watch by going to Devices, Workout Customization. You can also order the screen by sliding them. A quick tip: if you find that the watch is moving around on your skin, tighten it one notch so it's more secure. That's it. We hope you enjoy monitoring continuous heart rate during workouts. Still need help? Visit support.withings.com. Thanks for watching.